Hi, and welcome to 32Soft's quick demonstration of the Pio Automation Loader. This tool was designed for buyers as a one-stop interface for mass data analysis and management. This application improves productivity and efficiency, and as we will demonstrate, provide the buyer with all the data required to make informed decisions for expediting and purchasing. When you first launch the loader, you need to select the Setup button and highlight the QAD database you will be connecting to. Selection criteria fields are highlighted in yellow. Enter your search criteria and select the Download button. When you use an Action button for the first time, a login screen appears which uses QAD authentication logic to validate your user ID and password. A message appears at the top of the screen indicating whether the download is successful or not. The sheet now displays results as per selection criteria entered. As you can see, this loader displays a wealth of information not found on your standard MRP Action Messages report, which is the driver for this application. Here's the Action Messages report from QAD with limited data. Buyers can see detailed data using the drill down buttons located at the top. Highlight an item and select a drill down. You can also see usage for different periods, as well as supplier information. These details would require the buyer to access different screens in QAD, but this loader combines various information sources with the MRP Action Messages right at your fingertips. Columns highlighted in yellow indicate where the buyer can make changes, so you can change quantities, due dates, supplier information, and price. The column labeled Approve is what makes the application powerful for the buyer. When you change this column to Y for Yes, it will generate two new tabs where you can auto-create purchase orders and manage existing purchase orders. So why don't we do that? Let's change a couple, and we'll change these to yes, and hit Approve. Any errors will be highlighted in red. As you can see, for these ones, they don't have valid suppliers, so you will have to fix that before you can upload back into QAD. As you can see, it's generated two new tabs, Pio Approval and Pio Reschedule. The Pio Approval tab generates the MRP recommended quantities for the item to be ordered. The buyer would review the data and edit the columns highlighted in yellow. So if we would like to change the quantity, we can do that, and you can also change dates. This loader also gives you the flexibility to add items and create POs without a preceding action message. You would just enter in the item details, and if it was for the same supplier, you could have it on the same PO as a second line, or if you would like a separate PO for the item, you just change the PO number and the line. At this point, this is the recommended PO number. Once you hit Create, the system will create the actual PO. So let's change that quantity and create. As you can see, QAD has now created two new POs, and if you would want to see the details, select the View PO button, and you can now see PO details. The Pio Reschedule tab, on the other hand, displays the existing POs and the buyer can make changes to the columns highlighted in yellow. This tab displays the MRP action message the buyer will be taking action on. You can change the date, quantities, and once you're ready to update, select the Update button, and it will update directly into QAD. If you would like to see the changes, select the View PO, and you can see the changes. The original quantity was 50. We've updated with the new quantity of 25. This PO automation loader gives the buyer a detailed list of purchase-related action messages from QAD and combines that with multiple drill downs for detailed information for each action and item, allowing for mass analysis and management. It automates the update and creation of purchase orders for large volumes of data, increasing productivity and efficiency, leading to improved order performance for your customers. You can get additional information about this and other productivity tools by emailing us at contact@32soft.com. Thank you.